In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix calendar events pane missing in Thunderbird. If your calendar events and tasks sidebar has disappeared, don't worry, this quick walkthrough will restore it. That sidebar is called the Today pane, and it's the panel on the right that shows your upcoming events, tasks, and a handy snapshot of your schedule. Sometimes Thunderbird simply hides it or a view setting changes after an update. The fix is to toggle a built-in layout option to refresh the interface. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the main menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Click that button to open Thunderbird's application menu. This menu is where all the appearance and layout options live, including controls for what panels are visible. From that menu, choose View. Think of View as the place that determines how much or how little you see on the screen. Inside View, select Layout. Layout groups the major panels, panes, and columns you can show or hide. This is exactly where the Today pane is managed. Within Layout, find the option labeled Show Today pane. If it's currently checked, uncheck it first to turn the pane off, then click it again to turn it back on. If it isn't checked, simply click it once to enable it. That quick off and on action forces Thunderbird to redraw the pane, which is often all that's needed to bring a missing panel back into place. In some versions, you might see it listed simply as Today pane rather than Show Today pane. The function is the same. After you toggle it, glance to the right side of the Thunderbird window. The Today pane should reappear with a concise view of your upcoming calendar events and tasks. This is the space that helps you keep an eye on what's next without opening the full calendar. If you work with multiple calendars, they'll feed into this list, giving you a unified view of the day. If you rely on this pane daily, remember where this setting lives. Menu, View, Layout, Show Today pane. Anytime it goes missing, repeating this quick toggle usually resolves it immediately. It's a safe adjustment that doesn't change your accounts, calendars, or event data. It simply restores the panel's visibility. That's all there is to it. By using Thunderbird's view and layout controls and toggling the Show Today pane option, you can quickly fix a missing calendar events pane and get back to your schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Today pane back in sight.